Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture on Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Messenger. Basically, you need to update your Messenger application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go and open Messenger. Once you open Messenger, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the left top, and then you need to click on your profile picture, and here you have three options: take photo, choose from library, use avatar. So for this case I'm going to choose from library and select a random picture, so I'm going to select this one, and you can rearrange which shot you like and click on done. And then you need to click on save profile picture in the bottom. Here you can read that your Facebook profile picture will also be updated. This update will not be shared in feed. So this is the simple process by which you can change profile picture on Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.